I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower every day. I take a shower every day. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock.
I answer my emails. I answer my emails. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. I drink water during the day. I drink water during the day. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I go to the supermarket after work. I go to the supermarket after work. I cook dinner in the evening. I cook dinner in the evening. I watch TV with my family. I watch TV with my family. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.